Welcome Tamsoy, good morning. Yan guys, Tamsoy Port. Yan, hatak-hatak namin no. Yung kasama sa hanap buhay, kaibigan ni Kapitan. Yan. Taiwan Coast Guard, Tamsoy Port. Yan mga yate. Yan. Tamsoy Yacht Club. Ano? Ayan yung Lovers Bread. Tamsoy Lovers Bread. Lovers Bridge. Tamsoy Lovers Bridge. Ito hatak-hatak namin. Ito yung sasakyan ni Ronnie at ate at ni na Melchor. Ayan.